हाय गाइस, वेलकम टू माय चैनल ओनली जॉब्स। तो गाइस इस वीडियो में हम देखने वाले हैं तीन बड़ी जॉब अपडेट्स और जिनका पैकेज भी बहुत 6 LPA के ऊपर होगा। ओके गाइस, सो वही वीडियो में हम डिस्कस करने वाले हैं। और गाइस अगर आप मेरे चैनल पे नए हो तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और ये वीडियो अपने दोस्तों के साथ शेयर करें ताकि उनको जॉब अपडेट्स पाने में हेल्प हो सके। ओके गाइस, सो लेट्स सी फर्स्ट जॉब अपडेट विच इज़ फ्रॉम तोशिबा। ओके गाइस, सो एक बहुत ही अच्छी जॉब अपडेट तोशिबा की तरफ से जो कि हायर करेगी ट्रेनी इंजीनियर के रोल के लिए। एज दे हैव मेंशन्ड हियर, लुकिंग फॉर 2021 बैच फ्रेश इंजीनियर्स, कंप्यूटर आर्किटेक्चर नॉलेज, strong C++ programming skills, strong analytical skills, very good communication and interpersonal skills. After that, eligibility criteria for this job is B Tech, ME Tech in CSE EC from 2021 batch and a percentage above 70%. So guys, if you have a score above 70, you are eligible for this job update. After that, the salary, a graduates 6 lakhs per annum and a postgraduates will be get 6.5 lakhs per annum. And job location will be Bangalore, and you need to sign 3 years bond. After that, hiring process will be online technical test and virtual interviews. So these are the hiring process. So they have mentioned about Toshiba here, TSIP Technology Development Center set up by Japan to develop software components for various products and applications, and they also mentioned some other details. Okay guys, so this is a basic Google form which you can fill to apply for the job. Okay guys, first you have to mention your name, contact number, email ID, your qualification. After that, are you completing your qualification from NITs or top tier engineering college? If you have, then select yes, else select no, and press the next button and fill the remaining form. Okay guys, so this is the really good job update from Toshiba. I recommend you guys to apply as soon as possible so that it will not end the. Okay guys, so let's see next job update which is from BGS Hub, which is hiring for freshers for its MNC client for test engineer. So this is a profile for a test engineer. Job location will be Bangalore, Kochi, Mysore, and criteria for freshers is 2019, 20, 21. Pass outs are eligible for the job. Percentage criteria is minimum 50 percentage and above. Skills for test engineer: manual testing, Selenium API testing. And after that, qualification will be B Tech, ME Tech, MSc, BSc in computer science or IT. And this is the Google form guys, you have to fill, where you have to put your name, contact number, email ID, year of passing 2090, 20, 2021, and you select your percentage range here. If you have any skills trained in testing like manual testing, automation testing, API testing, mentioned over here. After that, qualification, here they ask you to rate yourself in manual testing, in automation testing, and at final you have to upload your resume. Okay, guys, so this is the job update from BGS Hub. After that, let's see next job update which is from Binary. So Binary is basically hiring for uh, Android developer, full stack developer. So this is a Google form where you have to fill your name, email ID, contact number, for which position you are applying for, like Android developer or full stack developer. Mention your core skills here. What is your college name, year of passing? Before 2019 means if you are pass out from 2017, 18, 19, 20, you are likely to eligible for this job. And mention your educational details here. If you have any gap, mention here. Can you relocate to Pune in case you don't stay in Pune? So guys, I mentioned yes over here. And are you comfortable for 2 years bond? Also mention yes over here. Why do you want to join binary? uh, so you have to put answer here why you want to join this company, and how much you know about binary. So yeah, these are the some uh, basic questionnaire they have provided here. And CTC they offer is between 2.3 lakhs to 2.6 lakhs for fresher. Guys, basically you have to agree everything. uh, are you ready to join within 1 week after selection? Yeah, also mention yes over here. And add your resume. Okay guys, so these are the some job updates for the freshers of 2070 to 21 batch pass outs. You guys can check out the job update. And please like this video guys if you like this video, and share this video with your friends who are currently job seekers, so it will be helpful for them. Okay guys, uh, that's it for this video. Goodbye, take care.